Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing MBI, and I wanted to give you guys an update on CherryLend. It is the newest project in the whole Frosty ecosystem. There's been a lot of drama and a lot of rumors and a lot of posts, negative, positive, FUD, however you want to refer this stuff to. There's just a lot of static in the ecosystem right now, especially with Cardano, but with the CherryLend product, the Teddy Swap product, Aneta BTC, Tosi Drop, which all appear to be from the same camp. There seems to be a lot of commingling of developers and people. So that is something that was really revealed and kind of showed for a lot of people that have been paying attention to a lot of these applications. Does that change my opinion on anything? No, not really. I believe all of these projects, regardless of who are involved, are all risky. There's a lot of people that just believe they're so bullish on a lot of these projects because they have money attached to it, and you can't run from that fact. People want to defend their bags, or they believe that the actions that they're committing to is doing just that, when no one really has any control. No one can determine the future. Nobody knows what's going to happen. So I look at these projects, these products, in that same vein. CherryLend can have all of the dings against it that people want it to have, but in reality, the team building and the people consuming the product are going to be what decides, not just some guy that's holding a bunch of AADA finance tokens. So let's get that out the way. So for my people that care about CherryLend, that's who I am making videos for. I am diving into these projects. I am recording the journey. So let's take a look at some of the updates from CherryLend. This is the 50,000 Cherry token to the first 1,000 Cardano addresses. So I participated in this. What I did notice was a lot of people were dropping their address in the comments here, which was just completely wrong. I noticed that a lot of people took those back because they'd been responding in the forum. Make sure you guys update the form. So good on the project for noticing that people just didn't really understand how things worked. But let's go ahead and blow this up so we can see it a little bit better. 50,000. There's a link here that goes to like a Google form. You put your address in there, and I don't know if the full address or you can use your ADA handle. I saw people doing both. Hopefully they honor both forms because it wasn't really explained. So me personally, I threw my full true address in there. They responded to me when I said I did. Hopefully I'm in the first 1,000. I strongly believe I am. I asked them in the Discord to close out the form before it gets out of hand, because if they don't close the form out and at some point in the near future say, hey, this is the list of people that are in that window, you can check it here, it's going to cause a negative social experience for the team, for the moderators and the people interested in following along with the project. Because when you go and you click in any of the posts that they put up in the future, there's going to be people saying, is it closed? Is it closed? Did I qualify? Did I qualify? Over and over again. I've seen this happen. Hopefully the team takes my advice and they take care of that. So that is it for the 50,000 Cherry token giveaway to the first 1,000 addresses. Again, this is going to be like 50 tokens per person. And again, what you've seen us do with 50 free tokens in Indy should give you an idea of what can happen in Cherry. I'll take all the free tokens I can get, and that's my goal, to get as many free tokens as I can get to offset anything if I were to make an actual buy on this token when it is released. Let's go to the next one here. This is a screenshot of the platform at the offer loan screen. and there's some example tokens in there. I don't know if this is going to be the only thing you can use on the platform, but this is just an early example screenshot. They have a nice little interface here, and people are saying, hey, this looks like insert other projects interface. That's fine. Again, how many different ways can you design a wheel? The wheel is invented. You use the stuff, you move on. The only thing, like I said, I think I gave an example, might have been this post, might have been another, but my response was, man, that looks neat. Now do dark mode. And they said on it. So I'm curious to see what dark mode looks like. I'm sure they'll be dropping a screenshot of that soon, but the project itself is moving along pretty swiftly, as you would expect for a forked project. That's what we'll call this. There's a forked spectrum code, I think maybe use here. Someone said that they forked AADA. I think they actually call that out, so that's not a ding against them. They're using open source code. That's what it's there for. So that is that post. Let's move to the next one. The next one that they did was a drop your Cardano address. This happened on the 27th. So people that missed the 1,000 list have another opportunity to grab some tokens. So I threw my address down here in this. Yep. And they did respond. Noted. So I think I might have made it. I don't know what we're going to get on this drop, but I'm participating because, again, we did this with Indigo and it paid out really well. I think we ended up getting about $350 worth of value in tokens at the airdrop. So I'll take all of the free tokens I can get. If this product launches and everything is a go, it's free money, people. Why not take the leap? Now we have a Lend screen. This is the Lend screen. Lending Simplified, built on Cardano. And they have a loan request screen here. They have all the details. I think I asked a question, can you unlock at any time if you return the IUSD? And they say yes. So this is going to work similar to the way Indigo, AADA, Finance, where you can take out loans, you can request loans, and hopefully I believe you can, it's going to be peer-to-peer. So it's not a pooled thing. You put out the loan, someone that wants to accept it will take it. So me personally, app-wise, I don't really have any interest in peer-to-peer stuff. But again, this is them launching something so that you understand that, hey, they can launch stuff. They can put a product out there. But the goal is going to be pooled asset borrowing and lending, where there's no second-party one-to-one deals going on. Well, they're going to keep that. But I'm interested in pooled. I want to take a loan out against pooled assets. I want to lend my crypto to a pool, so I don't have to wait for that one-to-one or that peer-to-peer basis, which again, not for me, but there's a lot of people out there that utilize that. Look at Fluid Token. They do the peer-to-peer loans on Cardano blockchain, and they appear to be doing pretty well. They appear to be successful in that. So there is a customer for this style product. I personally am just not super interested, but I believe that CherryLend has a good shot at becoming a good protocol if they follow their own advice, follow the play that's been laid out before them with previous products that have launched on Cardano. Don't make the same mistakes. Learn from the past, learn from previous protocol launching on Cardano. So that is that. Let's take a look at the big giveaway. We're airdropping 100,000 Cherry tokens to our first 4,000 followers. This seems to be a easy no-brainer for the project. Again, and you get how many you're going to get, and what you have to do is just follow the page, and we've been following them already, so we already qualify. Didn't have to do anything. I did hit like on the post there, and let's see how many followers they have, and they hit. So they're over 4,000. So that one is closed out, and I believe that was their fourth giveaway. Again, accumulating tokens. Hey, if I can get away with the protocol launching, and we end up with, I don't know, we end up with 100 tokens for free, 150 tokens for free, I'll take it. What is that going to be worth? There's no telling. There is no telling. But the token supply is a good number. I think it's 88 million. So I mean, if you play your cards right, they launch. They have a good TVL. They have a good liquidity. That could be hundreds of dollars. It could be $500. It could be something. I would imagine to be anywhere between $200 and $500 for free. So, and I don't have to do anything. I don't have to pay for anything. I had to make no monetary investment. This is just giveaways. And I've been doing this for a while, and every little bit helps when you are not a whale. So easy, nothing but just watching me, just following the project and watching what they're doing, watching what they're saying, looking for AMAs where I can ask questions. That's what I'm doing here. And I'm just doing my due diligence. Again, anything can happen. I am not endorsed, paid by the project. I'm just making content on it because I'm curious as to what's going to happen with this project with all of the drama surrounding it. So if you like CherryLend, following along like me, looking to see what happens with this protocol, make sure you hit that like, hit the share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.